JK Moving Services review usage experience. Links to the products and services mentioned in this video are provided in the description below. JK Moving Services is a premium moving company that specializes in residential, commercial, and international relocations. Known for its professional approach, JK Moving offers tailored solutions for individuals, families, and businesses who want a seamless moving experience. Their services include full-service packing, secure storage options, and specialized moving for high-value items such as artwork and antiques. They also provide detailed inventory tracking and access to 24/7 customer support to keep clients informed throughout the process. What sets JK Moving apart is their emphasis on safety and efficiency. Their trained and background-checked movers handle belongings with care, using advanced technology like GPS tracking for real-time updates. For those looking to move long distance, JK Moving offers flexible scheduling and a dedicated move coordinator to manage logistics, ensuring minimal stress. Additionally, the company provides eco-friendly packing materials and sustainable practices, appealing to environmentally conscious customers. JK Moving is ideal for those willing to invest in quality for a stress-free move, whether it's a local relocation or a cross-country transfer. However, it's worth noting that their premium services come at a higher price point compared to budget moving companies. Still, the reliability, professionalism, and attention to detail make it a worthwhile choice for those prioritizing peace of mind. Customer feedback often highlights JK Moving's punctuality, careful handling of items, and clear communication as standout aspects. Overall, they're an excellent choice for anyone seeking a professional, end-to-end moving solution. If you've used JK Moving Services or are planning to, let us know about your experience in the comments. Don't forget to check the description for additional details and resources.